Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, how to make perfect hole in split AC installation. So first step is simple. Find out the metal copper tube to plate. First one, find out the metal as per copper tube. So before you take one measurement tape and middle the copper tube to plate, so we get one measurement, and second one is below the mark, one mark is we taken, because then put the below marks, because sometimes when split is installation, that time is showing the hole. That's why below marks is very important. Little bit 1 centimeters upper side we are making marks. Third mark is simple. Third mark is upper side. This is also important, but it is not necessary. But below the mark is more important. So upper side is not. We are assumed the one mark also same. So these are the three marks in copper tube. In split is installation. So next step is simple. We have three marks. One is a copper tube middle to plate, and second mark is below the copper tube, and third mark is upper the copper tube. So these are the method of split AC installation make perfect. So this one is a demo. So we are already taking as per measurement a distance between 9 centimeter. So and already we are mentioned two marks, and below one marks and upper side one marks, and this is the we are one getting straight lines, and simple. This one is simple, not tough. So and we are making already one mark straight line. So we are middle one is we are that we are 2 centimeters that one side, and 2 centimeters left side, and 2 centimeters right side. We are making one marks. So these are the like triangle lines also we are making. So these are the methods of how to make perfect hole in later it will be getting make one triangle one border. So we are making this is hole, though make perfect this one hole. If in case you will get you will check again, and also if in case confusion, sometimes make confusion how to middle left side is 2 centimeter gap, and right side is 2 centimeters gap. 1 centimeter no problem, 1.5 centimeter is no problem. So how you need like this, how you need, how much you need, uh, that is the perfection of you will make one there is some 2 centimeter, and there is some 2 centimeter. So these are the method of how to make perfect in holes for split AC and split AC installation. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon if in case you